こんにちは。Hello everyone. それでは日本語のレッスンを始めましょう。Today we will study Japanese alphabet known as Hiragana. I will show you how they look and how to pronounce them. Today we will focus on the first 5 characters. And today's lesson marks the beginning of a Hiragana series. So let's begin and bring these characters to life. This is the Hiragana chart. It shows all the basic 46 Hiragana characters. There'll be additional 25 Hiragana characters along the way, and then you will be introduced to those additional sounds later as we go over the basic Hiragana syllables. If you have a beginner level Japanese textbook, you should find a Hiragana chart either at the start or end of your textbook. So take a moment and then flip through the pages and then find your Hiragana chart in the textbook. Your Hiragana chart may be displayed either horizontally or vertically because, as I explained in my introduction video, the Japanese writing system allows for both horizontal and vertical writing of sentences. The same applies to these charts. Both formats include all 46 basic hiragana letters, so either chart will work perfectly fine. In this course, I'll be using this chart that displays hiragana vertically, which is the most common format used in Japan. Each hiragana represents a single syllable, and each letter corresponds to a specific sound. This is the same chart but with Roman letters to show you how hiragana sounds. It's arranged vertically, so you read from top to bottom and from right to left. These first 5 vowels are a, I, U, E, O. The second line is K line, and I'll call it kagyo, and it goes ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. I'm going to quickly read the rest of it so you can hear how they sound. Please try to pronounce them together with me if you'd like. Let's do sagyo. Sa, shi, su, se, so. Tagyo. Ta, chi, tsu, de, to. Nagyo. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Hagyo. Ha, hi, hu, he, ho. Magyo. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Yagyo. Ya, yu, yo. Ragyo. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. And wa, o, m. Good job. You just heard the sound of the basic 46 hiragana characters. Now, let's focus on the first 5 letters, which are vowels. This is the first hiragana, a. Open your mouth wide and say a 3 times. A, a, a. いいですね。Next one, I. Please avoid opening your mouth too wide. Instead, try to open your mouth sideways. I, I, I. This is U. Make your lips a little rounder. U, う、う. Good job. This is Hiragana e. Try not to open your mouth too wide. The shape should be somewhere between the sounds a and i. Also, position of your tongue slightly lower than pronouncing i, and open your mouth a bit more than when pronouncing i. So let's try this one. E, e, e. The last letter under agyo is this one, o. When pronouncing it, relax your lips and let them naturally form a round shape. O, o, o. Good job. それではカードを読んでください。Please read the card. I try not to hit the microphone. はい、読んでください。う、え、あ、お、い、あ。Two more. う、and え。Good job. いいですね。Hiragana characters come together to form words. In other words, by combining different hiragana, you can form variety of words. For example, take the first two hiragana symbols, a and i. When we put them together, we get ai, a word that holds great significance in life because it means love. I'm excited to introduce ai as your first Japanese word in today's lesson. I wrote ai horizontally here and vertically here. We can actually make many words using these 5 vowels. Let me choose these 2 letters. Now, can you read them? Yes, ao, and it means blue. How about these 2? 読んでください。家、家, and it means house. About this one with double E. 読んでください。家、家, and it means no. It's the opposite of はい. How about these 2 letters? Please read. 読んでください。そうです。And 上, it means up or above. Well, you've learned some Japanese words today. Well done. Additionally, there are some one-letter hiragana words to explore. For example, this one. I means stomach. All right? And this one. E means drawing or picture. So easy to remember. So add these 2 words to your vocabulary list. When you combine 2 I hiragana, you get I, which means good in Japanese. You often hear me saying いいですね, meaning that's good. And speaking of goodness, this symbol, like button, is called いいね button. So now is the perfect moment to give this like button a little push to show your support for this channel. ありがとうございます。Well, let's keep the good times rolling. In my next video, you will learn how to write these hiragana characters. So have a pen and paper ready and then stand by for my next video. Until then, さよなら。